Hi, Jason. Thank you again for coming in today. Now I want to ask you a few questions about your thinking and about your memory. Is that okay?
That's great.
Okay, fantastic. We're going to start by, if you can tell me the year, the month, and the day of the week.
It is 2012. It is July, and the day of the week is Wednesday.
Okay. In what state and city are we?
We're in Milford, Delaware.
Okay. And in what situation or setting are we right now?
We're sitting at a table answering questions.
Okay. Now I'm going to read a list of words. When I finish, repeat them after me. And I'm going to ask you to recall those words later as well. I'm not concerned with the order in which you say them. Banana, justice, Sarah, bridge. Can you repeat those?
Banana, justice, Sarah, bridge.
Okay. Now, can you see these three pictures?
Yes, I can.
Okay. Tell me the name of this object.
It's a comb.
And tell me the name of this object.
Telephone.
And this object.
Keys.
Okay, now look at the pictures again. Try to memorize them because I will ask you to recall them later.
Okay.
Okay. Now I'm going to read some letters to you. Every time I say the letter C, I want you to tap your finger on the table.
Okay.
Only tap your finger when you hear the letter C. Okay? C, F, B, T, O, L, C, C, Q, A, Z, C, B, R, B, Q, W, D, C, S, B, L, R, B, C, B, Z, X, C, B. Okay. I'm going to ask you now to do some counting backward. Start with the number 20 and count backward to 1.
20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Great. Now I'm going to ask you to recite the days of the week in backward order. Start with Sunday and tell me the days of the week in backward order.
Sunday, Saturday, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday.
Fantastic. Okay. I'm going to say some numbers. When I am finished, repeat them in exactly the same order as I say them. 2, 5, 9, 7, 4.
2, 9, 5, 7, 4.
5, 1, 7, 8, 9, 6.
5, 1, 7, 8, 9, 6.
Now I'm going to say some more numbers. This time, repeat them in backwards order. For example, if I say 1, 5, you would say
5, 1.
Okay. 6, 2, 7.
7, 2, 6.
4, 1, 8, 9.
9, 8, 1, 4.
Okay. Now I'm going to say some pairs of words. The words in each pair have something in common. Tell me how an apple and an orange are alike.
They're both fruits.
Okay. Tell me how a train and a boat are alike.
They're both modes of transportation.
And tell me how a book and a newspaper are alike.
They're both things you read.
Okay. I'm going to read you a sentence now. When I'm finished, repeat it exactly as I said it. Michael married Marie's mother.
Michael married Marie's mother.
Okay. Now I'm going to ask you to tell me as many names as you can think of. I will tell you when to begin and when to stop. You will have 1 minute to complete this task. Okay? Tell me as many girl names as you can think of and begin now.
Amanda, Andrea, Betty, Barbara, Carol, Christine, Debbie, Donna, Elizabeth, Erica, Fanny, Frederica, Gloria, Hannah, Joanne, Jessica, Julie, Kathleen, Kara, Sarah, Samantha, Rhoda, Diane, Thelma, Paula, Mia, Lily, Tamsin, Maria, Marie, Monica, Nancy, Noel, Teresa, Tracy, Veronica, Victoria.
Okay. Nice job.
That
That was
was
a lot of names. Nice job. Okay.
Whew.
I'm going to ask you to do some counting now. Please count from 1 to 10. Are you ready?
Yes.
And begin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, now I want you to say your alphabet. Start with the letter A and continue until you say the letter J.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J.
Okay. Now I would like you to say numbers and letters. I will ask you to switch between numbers and letters, but keeping them in proper order. You would say 1A, 2B, 3C, and so forth. Okay, start with 1A and keep going until I ask you to stop. Begin.
1A, 2B, 3C, 4D, 5E, 6F, 7G, 8H, 9I, 10J.
Fantastic. Now I'm going to ask you to work through a practical problem. Here it is. You have $25 to spend at the grocery store. You buy milk for $3. You buy 2 apples for $1. How much money do you have left?
$21.
Okay. Suppose you have a 1 p.m. appointment with your doctor. It takes 45 minutes to get there. What is the latest you can leave to get there at 1 p.m.?
12:15.
Okay. Now, I'd like you to copy this design as accurately as you can. And you can do it in that space right
Okay.
there. Okay. Now in this clock, I'd like you to first put in the numbers and then set the time to 10 after 11. It's 10 after 11. Okay. Now I read you some words a short time ago. Tell me as many of the words as you can recall.
Banana, Justice, Sarah, Bridge.
Okay. Now I'm going to read you a short story. When I'm finished, tell me as much of the story in all detail that you can remember. Later, I will ask you to recall the story details again. Carol borrowed $10 from her brother Jack last week. She couldn't pay him back because she bought a delicious ice cream cone at the circus instead. How many details can you remember?
Carol borrowed $10 from her brother Jack. She spent that money on ice cream at the circus.
Okay. Now I showed you some pictures of some objects a short time ago. Tell me as many of the names of those objects as you can.
There's a comb, phone, and keys.
Okay. Now a short time ago I read you a story about a brother and a sister. Tell me everything you remember about this story.
Carol borrowed money from her brother Jack and could not pay him back because she bought ice cream at the circus.
Okay. Now I'm going to ask you some questions about the story. After I read each question, I will then read 3 possible answers. You tell me the right answer. What was the name of the woman who borrowed money? Was her name Carol, Mary, or Sue?
Carol.
How much money did she borrow? Did she borrow $15, $10, or $16?
10.
What was the name of the woman's brother? Was it Robert, Tom, or Jack?
Jack.
What did the woman buy? Did she buy ice cream, a sandwich, or a soda?
Ice cream.
And where did the woman go? Did she go to the mall, the circus, or the grocery?
The circus.
Okay, that concludes our questions today, Jason. Thank you so very much. You did a great job.
Thank you.